Buying coins on Kill TV with Bitcoin is easy. Once you've selected the amount of coins you'd like to purchase, click Buy Coins. A screen with our QR code for on-chain or Lightning payments will be available. Lightning purchases are usually cheaper, so we will select that for this demo. Download a Bitcoin wallet you'd like to use. Our choice will be Cash App. Scan the QR code, or if on mobile, click Open in Wallet. Cash App will now say you have an insufficient Bitcoin balance. Go to Purchase and buy the amount of Bitcoin needed for the transaction. We'll need $25 worth of Bitcoin for this purchase, so we will buy $27 to account for Cash App fees. Once we purchase the Bitcoin, we scan the QR code again or click Open in Wallet. Press Approve to send the Bitcoin. That's it. Your coins will now be seen in your balance and a receipt will be available in your order history. If you need further assistance, please follow our step-by-step photo guide or search online how to buy and send Bitcoin. Enjoy the rest of your existence.